Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can share your board and collect application. Maybe you want to share your board and collect so that your friends can see what's on the board and they can even upload an image or files on that board. So today I am going to show you on how you can share your board and collect application. Please check the description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your collect application. Once you open your collect application, you simply need to go to your boards. At this option below, you'll see a board option. Simply tap on this boards option. And as you can see, we have one board here. If you want to share a board, simply tap on this share button. And as you can see, invite anyone to, you have two options. It's either you are giving a person a permission to just view or to edit your board. For this example, I'll give it a permission to edit my board. After that, simply tap on this share button. And as you can see in here, you can share it via nearby share messages and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know how you can share your boards and collect to your other person or your friend, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share your board and collect to any person that you want, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.